Okay, this is how to do a voiceover in Final Cut Pro 10. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go up to Window. Well, first you're going to click on Final Cut Pro. You're going to go to Window, and it's going to bring you a drop down. You're going to come down to Record Voiceover. You're going to press that, and then you're going to have this little box that opens up, and you can see how your microphone's working here. As you can see, every time I talk, it gives you this green pulse. So that gives you the idea of how much of the sound is getting in. Then you're going to press this button, and it's going to give you 1, 2, and now you begin your voiceover. So I went diving the other day on the wreck in Delray Beach, which is pretty far south of where all the green algae is in the middle part of the state from the runoff from Lake Okeechobee. But as you can see in this video, it looks like some of this algae has gotten as far down as Delray and maybe even Fort Lauderdale. Very interesting. And I was kind of worried as I was swimming around. I kept on thinking to myself, what the heck is going in my ears and other orifices? So it looked a little dangerous, but I was okay the next day, I think. Then you press this button. It stops, and that's your. And then here is my recording that I made. Now in the beginning of it, I did this little spot right here where I was talking about making this video. So I want to try to keep this recording. So if I want to, I could just pull this right up to here, and that gets rid of that earlier part. If I want to bring up the sound, I pull it up like that. So let's take a listen to it. Pretty far south. Now if I pull it down, it's even less. Pull it up, and when you start to see these little light yellow marks, that means you're starting to get to where it's a little bit too high. So that should be pretty good. Let's try a run through and see what it sounds like. So I went diving the other day on the wreck in Delray Beach, which is pretty far south of where all the green algae is in the middle part of the state from the runoff from Lake Okeechobee. So it sounds not too bad. Maybe we could bring it down just a little bit so we don't have those yellow marks. Slowly pull it. Sometimes it takes a while, and you got to bring it back a little bit. That should do it. Let's try it there. But as you can see in this video, it looks like some of this algae has... Okay, looks pretty good. I think we did a pretty good job on that one. All right, let's go ahead and end this video.